Welcome to Saitechinfo online classes. Today we'll be discussing about the basic concepts of chemistry in class 11. So let us discuss at the outset about the total concepts, that is summary map, that is the sketch note of the entire chapter. And followed by that, we'll be discussing the individual subtopics, chemistry. The very important introduction, that is importance of chemistry. And secondly, we will discuss the properties of matter and their measurement. Properties of matter and their measurements. So under which we'll be discussing the different properties of matter, then how the parameters associated with the matters are measured. So we will discuss in detail. And as a third topic, we have to discuss uncertainty in measurement. So when we measure uncertainty, when we measure whether the observed or the data taken is accurately correct or not. So we will be discussing the preciseness and precision and accuracy, all these things under uncertainty in measurement. Then we'll move to the fourth topic. The fourth topic is law of multiple proportion. Law of multiple proportions. Topic, that is the fifth topic. Laws of chemical combination. Of chemical combinations. Then we'll move to the sixth topic, Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory. Then we'll move to the seventh topic, and that is atomic mass and molar masses. So atomic mass and molecular mass or molar mass. So this is one of the very important topics in chemistry. Then we will proceed with the very important concept called molar concept. That is mole concept. Mole concept and molar masses. Again we'll be discussing molar mass along with mole concept. Then we will discuss the percentile composition. The percentile composition as the ninth topic. Percentile composition. So what is the percentage of element present in a given compound? So likewise we'll be discussing. And the 10th topic is also very important. That is stoichiometry. Okay, stoichiometry. So these are all the subtopics we'll be discussing under the main chapter, that is basic. And the third one is uncertainty in measurement. Then fourth one, multiple law of multiple proportions, and the fifth one, law of chemical combinations. Then we have Dalton's atomic theory. Then we will discuss atomic mass and the molar mass. And then we will discuss mole concept and the molar mass. Then we will discuss percentile composition. And finally, we will be discussing stoichiometry. You understand? So these are the 10 important topics covered under basic concepts of chemistry.